Okay, so this is neat here as well. So what these markers are showing us, and I mentioned this in class before, how in archaeology, archaeologists are also going to study the soil and see any differences that they notice in the soil and see what that can add to our understanding of what was going on. So these markers right here are marking where archaeologists noticed the differences in soil patterns that lead them to believe that this is where wooden posts were buried into the ground to build a structure. So when you dig a hole in the ground and stick um, a log or a tree in it, and then that eventually rots away, it's going to look different than the soil where something was not dug into it. So this is the rough outline of this structure. And what we found here when these mounds were studied is that before a mound was built, the Hopewell would build a building over the area where the mound was going to be built and have different religious ceremonies preparing the person who had passed away for burial. And they're saying here, I was reading this, that out of all the mounds, there was 24 of them, and 19 of them showed this pattern that a building had been built there before the person had been buried. So that is really cool to see that.